Hello students, today we are going to learn how to solve the linear equations by the graphical method. Now here two equations are given, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. We have to find the solution of these equations by the graphical method. For that we have to find four ordered pair of the coordinates or points. Now here first equation is given, x plus y is equal to 5. So for that we can consider the values of x and then we have to find the values of y. X plus y is equal to 5. This equation we have to write in x form or y form. Therefore y is equal to 5 minus x. Therefore now when x is equal to, you can take any value, x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 5 minus 0, it is equal to 5 only. When x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. And when x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 5 minus 1, which is equal to 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. Now first we have to write this all coordinates x and y coordinates here in this chart or in this table. When x is equal to 1, then we got y is equal to 4. When x is equal to 0, then we got y is equal to 5. When x is equal to 2, then we got y is equal to 3. When x is equal to minus 1, then we got y is equal to 6. Therefore the first point is 1 and 4. Second point is the coordinates of second point 0 and 5. Here it is 2 and 3 and minus 1 and 6. Similarly, we can find the four ordered pairs of the second equation, which is x minus y is equal to 3. Now this equation also we can write in x form or y form. So I am writing this equation in x form. So x is equal to 3 and y, this minus y, it will be plus y. When we are changing the sign also change. Now you can take here also any values. When now we have to take the value of y. When y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. When y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3 plus 0, which is equal to 3. When y is equal to minus 1, then x is equal to 3 minus 1. Just we are substituting value of y in this equation. So it is equal to 2. And when y is equal to minus 2, then x is equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. Now we can write this all four ordered pairs in this chart. Now the values of y we have considered. So here x, y and xy. So we can write value of y, it is, so you have to write in this y row only. Y is equal to 1, then we got x is equal to 4. When y is equal to 0, then we got x is equal to 3. When y is equal to minus 1, then we got x is equal to 2. And when y is equal to 1, then we got here x is equal to, y is equal to minus 2, then we got x is equal to 1. Therefore the coordinates are 4 1, here 3 0 and 2 minus 1, and here it is 1 minus 2. Now first we have to plot this point on the graph paper. This all these four ordered pair of this first equation we have to plot on the graph paper. So as we know that the vertical line is a y-axis and the horizontal line is x-axis. So we can draw the graph of the equation and we will find the solution of the equation by the graphical method. Now see, first you have to draw the horizontal line, which is x-axis, and then vertical line which is the y-axis. The origin of x-axis and y-axis means this x-axis and y-axis, these both are perpendicular to each other, and the intersection of this is O. The coordinates of that O means origin is 0, 0. So to the right side of origin on x-axis, positive points are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here it is to the left side, my negative points are there, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Similarly on y-axis, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is -1, -2, -3, -4, and here -5. This is x dash because x-axis, and here y dash because it is y-axis. Now first we have to plot the points on these 4 points of the first equation, that is 1 and 4. So 1 and 4, 1 and 4 will come here, 1, 4. Then second point is 0, 5, 0, and y coordinate is 5, then it will come here 0, 5. Third point is 2, 3. 2 means first point is the x coordinate and second point is y coordinate, therefore it will come 2, 3. And the next one is -1, 6 means x coordinate is -1 and y coordinate is 6. So y coordinate is 6, it will come here, y coordinate is 6. Now after plotting all these 4 points, we have to draw the line which is passing through all these 4 points, which is passing through all these 4 points. So it will come exactly correct on the graph paper because already there are lines and squares, you can see it properly on the graph paper. So exactly correct graph you can draw on the graph paper. After drawing the line, you have to write the equation of that line which is x plus y is equal to 5. And now we have to draw the line of the second equation which is x minus y is equal to 3. Again we have to plot all these 4 points on the graph paper. On the same graph paper, first point is 4, 1, x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 1. So here it will come 4, 1. Second one is 3 and 0. X coordinate is 3, means it will come here 3, 0. Third point is 2, minus 1. X coordinate is 2 and here it is minus 1. And fourth is 1 minus 2. 1 and minus 2 means it will come 1 and minus 2, it will come here. So like these 4 points are there, we have to draw the line which is passing all these 4 points. Now these two lines are not intersecting here because this line we have draw here smaller. So we can increase this line in this way. And here we have to write the equation of the second line, x minus y is equal to 3. Now these two lines are intersecting in this point 4 and 1. Means the coordinates of the intersection point is 4 and 1. That's why the solution of the equation is The solution of equation is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. This is the graphical method. I hope you have understood this method to solve the linear equations by the graphical method. Thank you, students.